Acharya Mukesh. Acharya Mukesh is a yoga and wellness expert. He's a wellness consultant, JBM Group, eminent yoga professional, Indian Yoga Association, former yoga representative, Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, CEO of Yoga Dutam and International Yoga Network. Is one of the eminent yoga professional working with the government, corporate as well as private sector. Is one of the yoga teachers of Indian origin who has had more than 20 years of international experience in yoga and wellness, and is a wellness coach with the JBM Group. He advocates more about classical yoga and therapeutic yoga and relaxation techniques, stress management, body mind healing. Since 1996, conducted organized regular yoga session, workshop, corporate session and stress management programs. Apart from his yogic, he also devotes time to organizations and NGOs like India Yoga Association, Divine Life Society, Adi Bharat People's Foundation. Is listed on India's Yoga Association portal as one of the eminent professionals. Ministry of Culture Affairs, Egypt honored him an Indian cultural icon in 2003, and the Brahma Kumaris Mount Abu awarded him Guardian of Nature in 2018. He is working for making lives better through yoga, wellness and social awareness. Acharya Mukesh ji sent his presentation to us because of his inability to attend, and we will be sharing his presentation on wellness with you. Wellness in India. In the fast pace of modern life, wellness is going to be an identifiable niche market all across the globe. As far as wellness is concerned, India has a rich heritage supported by its ancient system of medicine for a healthy lifestyle, prevention of proactive illness, and healing methodologies. Wellness is a state of health and is seen as an approach to quality life with happiness. Wellness can be defined as maintaining health, fitness, and well being through physical, mental, and spiritual experiences and activities. Ancient wellness. Wellness is a modern word with ancient roots. It can also be traced to the ancient civilizations of India, China, Greece, and Rome, whose historical traditions have indirectly influenced the modern wellness movement. Modern wellness. Modern aspects of wellness concept are firmly rooted in several intellectual, religious, and medical movements in the United States and Europe in the 19th century. Are you healthy? Are you happy? Well, health and happiness and inner joy and bliss is what we all need. 7 dimensions of wellness: physical, emotional, spiritual, social, intellectual, vocational, and environmental. 8 disciplines of yoga: yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahara, dharana, dhyan, and samadhi. Ayush has a global acceptance for wellness, most authentic way of relaxation, best individual health and fitness regimes, better stress relief in today's hectic lifestyle, powerful way to re-energize and restore vitality, rejuvenation and ideal detoxification procedures, anticipating drive for the wellness tourism industry, and yoga prefers quaint wellness destinations and locations. Wellness ingredients. Natural agents include water, sea, air, sun, minerals, aromatic herbs, serenity meditation points, anti-stress programs, autogenic training, aromatherapy, massages, thalassotherapy, baths, yoga, sauna, water massage, meditation, relaxation, prevention and curing therapy, diagnostic procedures, therapeutic treatments, post-operative treatments, panchakarma, naturopathy, rehabilitation, psychotherapy, diet, yogic kriyas, physical regime including morning exercises, targeted exercises, corrective exercises, aerobic exercises, thalassotherapy, hiking, walking, and yoga routine. Beauty programs include traditional packs, natural cosmetics, pedicure, manicure, anti-cellulite treatments. Social connectivity, includes motivation, healthy talks, lectures, seminars, recreational activities, and library, and information cells and desks, which are overseas, regional level, state level, and district level activities. And this 21st century is, of course, the tipping point of wellness. A New York Times article on the world concept of wellness noted wellness is in fact a word that Americans might hear every day, and it's more than Americans because in the 21st century, the global wellness movement and market reach a dramatic tipping point. Fitness, diet, healthy living, and well-being concepts and offering proliferate widely. Top 20 countries for domestic and international wellness. So you see India at number 16. India, the land of wellness. India is well known for its rich heritage of Ayurveda, yoga, meditation knowledge passed on from several past centuries. The Ayurveda, yoga, meditation, and wellness centers in India attract a large number of travelers every year from all parts of the world. The wellness tourism industry of India is expected to grow significantly due to its wellness identity in the world and land of Ayurveda, yoga, and spirituality. Apart from that, there are increasing number of wellness centers in the region for treating various diseases through yoga, meditation, Ayurveda, naturopathy, and various cultural and lifestyle activities. India, the land of infinite possibilities, rich heritage, cultural heritage, origin of Ayurveda and yoga, hospitality and guest traditions, low-cost services and manpower, industries and professional network, world-class destination, separate ministry for Ayush, diverse extension of religion, ancient roots and practices, world's best infrastructures, world's largest consumer, world's best schools of philosophy, plenty of food and herbs, and largest number of literature and publications. Exploring wellness in India, representing India as a wellness country, identifying new wellness destinations, creating wellness center in selected locations, adopting vacated villages for wellness, preparing infrastructure, travel network, preparing professional network and skilled manpower, preparing manufacturing units for wellness, more national, international exhibitions, conferences and seminars, encouraging resorts, spas, hotels and hospitals for wellness industry. Key policy initiative of Indian government, a dedicated ministry of Ayush set up in 2014 to promote Ayush system wellness. Ayush Ministry, External Affairs, Tourism Ministry initiate international exchange programs. Government signs MOU with several countries including China, Malaysia, Hungary, Trinidad and Tobago. Promotion of international cooperation of Ayush through central sector schemes. Formal health insurance mission to promote wellness. Promotion of pluralistic healthcare by National Rural Health Mission. And development Ayush clusters for setting up Ayush units in India. And these are the domestic wellness tourism zones and the states where they are applicable: North, Central, East, West and South. These are the zones. And international opportunities are North Himalayan region spiritual wellness, West Goa and MH region social wellness, South Kerala is physical rejuvenation wellness, and Northeast is known for environmental wellness. This is the Himalayan region, the spiritual wellness, Western region social wellness, Kerala physical wellness, Northeast environmental wellness. And now the Indian wellness centers at a glance. This is South India, Ayurveda Gram at Bengaluru, Indus Valley Center Mysore, Kala Rico Villacom at Kerala, Sokyava International Bengaluru, Shriyas Retreat Bengaluru, Leela Kovam Kovalam, Sarovam Kerala, Somatirtham Kerala, Swaswar Karnataka, Ashiana Goa, Divya Goa, Beach House Goa, Atmantan Pune, Wildflower Shimla, Vana Dehradun, Kayakalp Himachal, Nimba Gujarat, Ananda in the Himalayas, Amanbag Rajasthan, Amravilas Agra. These are some of the important wellness destinations, and thank you so much for your patient hearing.